Hello my dear friend, welcome to my channel. And in this video I am gonna share with you how you can make your Google Drive folder colorful. So I think you have a lot of folder in your drive. Okay, so if you make this colorful and a specific color, then you can easily recognize them. So how can you do this? Just follow my step, then you will learn. Before starting this tutorial, I will ask you something. Please subscribe my channel, and if you face any problem regarding smartphone and social media, please let me know in comment below. So let's begin the tutorial. Here you can see the Google Drive apps. Click on this, and after that I created this folder, nature picture. So I wanna make this folder colorful. So what should you do now? Just click here three dot, this one three dot, click on this, and after that you will get a pop-up option here, a lot of option here, but you need to click here change color. Just simply click on this, and you can see a lot of color here, color circle. So choose according to your interest. In nature I just click this one, and here you can see the folder is made in colorful. Okay friend, I hope this is a very simple and effective tutorial for you, and please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.